Hello guys! Recently, we've been receiving a lot of emails from our users and ask how to recover deleted or missing WhatsApp messages or chats from iPhone. Yes, there are times you may lose your important WhatsApp messages, which can be caused by a system update, system crash, or any other reason. So, in today's video, I'm going to tell you the effective ways to recover deleted or missing WhatsApp messages on iPhone. WhatsApp offers a suitable solution to this issue. But make sure you had enabled the chat backup before you deleted the WhatsApp messages. Step 1. Navigate to Settings. Chat Backup to check. Step 2. If you can see when the last backup was performed, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Step 3. Make sure to verify your phone number once you reinstall WhatsApp, and then follow the prompts to restore the chat history and get your WhatsApp messages back. Well, in case you want to view the WhatsApp messages before the recovery, this method can't do that for you. What's more, you can only restore all the chats from the backup. There's no option for selective recovery. What if you want to restore the specific WhatsApp chats deleted? Is this possible? The answer is an absolute yes. DBAC is a reliable tool for the recovery of more than 18 data types, including WhatsApp messages and media files. If you didn't back up your device on iCloud or iTunes regularly, DBAC would also help you to recover the deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. Input www.imyphone.com in your search bar. Download, install, and launch it on your computer. Opt for Recover from iOS device, since what you want to recover is WhatsApp message. The procedure is fairly simple. Choose a recovery mode, connect your iPhone to PC, choose a data type, scan, and recover. The actual time required for the scan will vary depending on your file size, so it's better to select WhatsApp only. The scan result will be displayed on the screen orderly. You can freely view and select the WhatsApp chat you want to recover. Then, simply click the Recover button on the lower right corner to get the job done. As you can see, retrieving deleted WhatsApp messages with DBAC is easy and fast. What's more, it won't overwrite any of the current data on your iPhone, since it's a PC software. iMyPhone is a legally registered company and won't keep the personal data on your device. Try iMyPhone DBAC whenever you want to selectively recover a deleted WhatsApp chat or messages on your iPhone. Hold on, the preview function is free to try.